Hello fellow design and crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Memecoins channel, and today we want to dive deeper into so specific subject, actually to the universe of Memecoins. You will definitely say like, what is the similarity between design and Memecoins? But in next couple of minutes I will definitely show you how these things can be similar and what you can learn from big success of Memecoin in your product design. For sure, we will discuss maybe the biggest event during that week. We will discuss the Donald Trump, but not from the political perspective, mostly from business side, especially from Memecoin perspective, because his Memecoin Trump actually increased for 500% till launch, and already it's like $50 billion market cap. That's much more bigger than BMW, for example. And everything like that just happened in approximately in 24 hours. So that's a big jump, especially in business, especially in crypto, especially in design, and I can say in the world, because as we can see, Memecoins becomes a new big business model, and the people which underestimating that stuff can lose a lot of opportunities. And in that video we will showcase how that things can impact to your product design. So let's start. The success of Trump coin is not just about memes and hype. UI UX design principles played a massive role in making Trump coin accessible, engaging and trustworthy to its community. In this video, we will uncover the hidden design strategies that propelled Trump coin's success and explore how you can apply that to your project. Number one, first impression matters. Yeah, actually, that's the truth. As Marilyn Monroe just said, you will definitely don't have another chance to make your first impression. And the same happened with the Trump coin. The first impression was crazy, and after that, millions of people just started investing to that token. That's it. The same in your design. If your product will have a good first impression, and according to the statistic, you just have only 2 seconds to impress your user, and we need just 2 seconds to decide if we will stay on this website or if we'll leave them. So you have just 2 seconds to make your first impression, and based on that, you will be sure that your user will be converted to the high quality unit in your unit economy. But to reach that success, you definitely should think about design principles, wow effects, and really product market fit for their users just from 2 seconds. So that's number one. If we will talk in more details about the specifically examples about that principle, we can definitely talk about Trump coin landing page. It was designed to convert. Clean visuals, bold call to actions, and intuitive layouts immediately grab your attention and guide you toward key actions like buying tokens or joining the community. First impressions matter more than ever, and Trump website just proved that. That's important. Principle number 2, simplified onboarding. So let's check it out. 1 button, wallet connection, buying tokens, that's it. 3 steps and you made your desired investment. That's a good principle of that Memecoin design. It was made for users, clearly simplified and with instructions, so everybody understood what should supposed to be done. That's the key here. You definitely should think about the process and how you can make your onboarding much more smooth. Trump coin website and just Trump coin presented that everybody can invest in crypto, and everybody can do that just in 3 steps. So smooth onboarding is the second place here, and if you want to make successful UI UX design, you definitely should pay attention by creating smooth integration of your product to your final customer. You should decide what they want. You should actually define their pains, their gains, and create unique value proposition for them based on that data. Only in that way, onboarding will be really smooth and you will gain your final conversions, like Trump coin did. Number 3, community driven design. Just a couple of people bought it, and after that, community just drives everybody to do that. As you can see, a big cascade effect. A couple of people bought it and everybody started to do the same. So community is so important, and if you thinking about community and building your product around community, that's actually the success, because who is your user? It's just a group of people with different interests, with clear hobbies, with just from one category. and if you have similar interests with each other, it's definitely a community. So if you can build a product, an ideology of your product based on the community, you will definitely reach success. Trump has big community, and he just converted his community and authority to the crypto world. A couple of people just bought that, and after that everybody tried to buy that token. And as you can see, from 0 to $50 billion market cap just in one night. That's crazy. That's the power of the community. So if you build in your product around that principles, you will definitely have success. And of course, number 4 is trust. Everybody trusts in Trump. If not everybody, that's maybe 51% of Americans for sure. And based on that, people believe in that idea. Even that's a meme coin. He is not baked by something. It's just a meme. But that meme already costs more than $50 billion. And people just trust that guy. People just trust the idea. People saw the trust tweets. People saw the important values, just supporting the idea. And by showing that things on your website, on your product, if you will use trust triggers like reviews, logos, scores, any other guarantees you can guarantee to your user, you will definitely build trust. And if your product have that trust from users, they will definitely buy it. Because what is the selling process? Is the score of how people trust you or your idea. So if you have that vision, you will definitely have success. So trust is super important. So let's make some conclusions. What is the similarity between Trump meme coin and UI UX design principles? So first of all, that's trust. If people believe in your product, if people trust you, they will definitely buy this. Another one is simplified onboarding, because without a smooth onboarding, nobody will start using your product. 3, first impression matters. You will not have any second chance to make the first impression. And if you use that 2 seconds and bring love to your users, they will give that love for you back and will stay and will use your product, your website, whatever. And finally, community. If you have that specific group of people who can be interested in your product, that's a big win, because you can convert that group into big impact and huge audience for your idea. So there you have it, the secret sauce behind Trump coin meteoric rise. It's not just about memes or hype, it's about creating an amazing user experience that builds trust, loyalty and excitement. Now I want to hear your opinion about that. Drop a comment below. Did you bought a Trump coin? Do you understand that principles? Maybe you find your own thoughts about it. Maybe you have your own huge little senses inside that big event. Please tell us in the comment, subscribe to our channel, place the thumbs up, and let's discuss that huge idea inside the comments. So looking forward for your support and see you in next videos. Cheers!